Make your Explore page your happy place. Learn how to reset it and see what truly inspires you within a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reset Instagram Explore page. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open Instagram on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, use your username and password to sign in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines. One way to reset your Explore page is by clearing your search history, as Instagram recommendations are often influenced by what you search for. So in the settings menu, tap your activity and scroll to the bottom and click on the recent searches and tap on the clear all option at the top. You will be asked to confirm your action. Tap clear all. Once you cleared your search history and started interacting with new content, you will notice that your Explore page starts to change. So this is how to reset the Instagram Explore page. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.